This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Phil Long Ford of Denver is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 7887 West Tufts Avenue in Denver.